Hey, what's up, everyone? Uh, Buddy Boom here. I'm from Northwest Washington. I'm a father of five, and I've been married for 10 years. And I've been working from home for about 10 years now. And I just wanted to drop in. First off, I want to say thank you guys for clicking that link, answering that phone call, answering that text message. I don't know how you got here, but if I invited you here, I want to say thank you. I appreciate it. I know you can be anywhere else right now, but you're actually here. Okay, so like I said, from Northwest Washington, I actually work full time as a security guard, and I actually do this. I've been doing the side hustle, making money from my phone for about 10 years now. And that's if you're here because you want to generate income from home, then you're in the right place. I'm actually going to invite you to come check out what I've been doing, and I'm doing something that gives me anywhere from having a residual income to passive income that I get $1,000 commissions from my mailbox delivered straight to my porch. I don't want that to discourage you guys, though. I'm actually doing this $25 program that I want you to check out. And I've been following around this millionaire mentor for some time now, and he's actually does some pretty cool promotions that he has going on periodically. Okay, so we just got done with this $100 per night promotion, doing $100 drawings. We did that for like 3 weeks in a row. And now we're moving into anybody that comes in and tries out this $25 program, just give it a try. He's actually going to give a lucky member $10,000 in this program. So you're actually in the right place. You have a mentor that actually, that's actually not trying to hype stuff up. He's kind of a no fluff type of person. He doesn't hype stuff up. This is not an MLM. You're not going to have to worry about filling circles in and doing all this weird stuff. It's not an MLM. So I'm not going to go too much into explaining it. What you're going to do is you're actually going to fill this form in down below. It's going to bring you to a presentation page, and then you're going to find out more about that program from there. And this high ticket program, the cash program, if you're here for that, then my Facebook Messenger is down below here. You can give me a message on Messenger, or give me a text message, or give me a call and let me know that you want the next steps. That's assuming that you've already watched all the testimonials of everybody that's getting these cash commissions coming in. But if you're here for the first time, checking out that $25 program, fill this form in down below. You're going to get more details from there. I just wanted to drop in, let you guys know that I'm a real person. And, I know this internet world gets crazy. There's a lot going on out there. So just want you guys to know I'm here for you guys. And congratulations in advance, because you're actually taking yourself to the next level. And I want to say kudos to you for that. All right, guys, I'll see some of you in the inside. God bless. See you soon.